Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're here today because I've got something super fun and creative to share with you today. In this video, I'll teach you how to draw a realistic wardrobe in just 4 easy steps, and we'll do it together in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started with the first step, drawing a circle. This will form the base of our wardrobe. You can either draw this freehand or use a circular object like a coin or a bottle cap for a perfect shape. But I would like to give you a tip. These are recommendations. Try to draw this circle freehand. Why? Because practicing this helps you improve your hand control, which is super useful for drawing lines and shapes in the future. Trust me. And yes, I must tell you that don't stress if it's not perfect. You know why? Imperfections can make your artwork feel more natural, right? Next, let's add some shading. Imagine a light source shining on the wardrobe. The side closest to the light will be slightly darker, so grab your 2B pencil or even an HB if that's what you have, doesn't matter, and lightly shade that area. Take your time and add soft even strokes. So the shading will act as the base for creating depth, making the wardrobe look round and lifelike. Alright, here comes the fun part, blending. Use your blending stump to smooth out shaded area. But don't worry if you don't have blending stump, okay? You can use a cotton bud, a piece of tissue paper, or even you can use your finger to blend. That's totally fine, okay? Because this is a tutorial and you can try whatever you want. But you need to be very careful here. You don't want to blend the entire circle. Focus only on the area you shaded earlier. The smoother the shading, the more realistic your wardrobe will look. We are almost there. To make the wardrobe pop off the page, we need to add a shadow. The shadow will appear on the side opposite the light source. So carefully shade that area using your pencil. Make sure your strokes are soft and even, and don't forget to blend this area too. The shadow creates the illusion of a 3D effect, making the wardrobe look like it's sitting on the surface. And now for the magic touch, highlights. This step is what brings your wardrobe to life. Using a white gel pen, add small highlights on the light side of the wardrobe. This will mimic the way light reflects off the surface of real wardrobe, creating that stunning lifelike look. Your wardrobe should now look beautifully realistic, almost like it's about to roll off the page. I hope you enjoyed following along with me. If you give this a try, I'd love to see how your wardrobe turned out. Share your experience in the comments below. I always love hearing from you.